Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you can all recognize this plant. Yes, this is the chrysanthemum plant. In today's video, I'll tell you about how you can take care of your chrysanthemum plant so it becomes bushier and gets more flowers in winters. I'll also tell you what kind of fertilizers you have to give this plant during this growing stage. And as you know, this is the rainy season. Therefore, in our plants, there are lots of fungal attacks. So as you can see in the video, my mom is pruning the plants. And as you know, pruning the plants repeatedly helps our plants get more bushier day by day. But my mom noticed the problem that in our plants the leaves were all black in color because of fungal infection. There were also holes in the leaves of our plants. So during this time, what most of you do is that you apply some chemical pesticide or fungicide to our plants. But as we do gardening in an organic way, my mom did not apply any kind of chemical pesticides or fungicides. My mom simply removed the damaged leaves. This is because my mom believes that the plant has its own strengths to fight against these as well. My mom simply sprayed some diluted bioenzyme after the rainy season was over. And on regular basis also, whenever we give any kind of fertilizers to our plants, we mix a small amount of bioenzyme in it. Actually, the bioenzyme boosts the soil, the plant, and fulfills all kinds of micro and macronutrients of the plants. So the plants can easily solve the small problem like the fungal attack here. After pruning the plants, my mom did some digging of the plants as well. As you all already know, digging is very essential. Digging helps in the aeration of the roots. Also, digging before giving any kind of fertilizer is also good, as this helps in the better absorption of the fertilizer of your plants. And after digging, my mom simply gave some plain water to the plants. And this time my mom did not give any kind of fertilizers to the plants. It is preferred that in the growing season, nitrogen based fertilizer is the best for any kind of plant. As you know, kitchen waste compost is a very good fertilizer for filling all kinds of nutrients. So to give it to the plant, my mom simply dilutes the kitchen waste compost and then simply adds a few drops of bioenzyme and gives it to the plant. Instead of this, my mom gives other liquid fertilizers to our plants as well. But during these times, my mom only prefers kitchen waste compost over any kind of other fertilizer. And my mom gives this fertilizer once in a week only, as my mom thinks this is enough to fulfill any kind of micro and macronutrients of the plants. That's all. I hope we will get lots of flowers this winter. And I also hope that you all get lots of flowers this winter as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.